steps for the rhythm and movement of Viennese Waltz. It's a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Each foot moves in time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Down, up, down, up. Although this can change depending on the movement. We can do it as a side-to-side waltz. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very smooth and light, very pretty, and you can make body sway if you wish, depending on the movement you're making. You don't need a partner to make Viennese Waltz unless you're doing couple dance. We can also make this movement forwards and backwards. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Forward, join together, back, join together, forward, join together, back, join together. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Side. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Forwards. Down, up, back. Forward. Side. Back. Forward. Side. And you'll know which way to go by which foot you have free. So if you do 1, 2, 3, you have a left foot free. Doesn't matter which way you go. Obviously, when left foot's free, you can only go to the side of the left, or forward with the left, or back with the left. When you have your right foot free, you can only go to the right side, forward with the right, or back with the right. Again, if you're with a partner, this will be different depending on which steps you do or what you need. But for beginners, this is the way to go. We can also make the side step with a Cuban cross, similar to ballet waltz. Side, cross, replace. Side, cross, replace. Make it quite neat, don't overcross it. We're not making curtsy position. It's like a Cuban cross, which is like when the foot's behind. It doesn't disappear right over here. It's close to behind the other foot. You can see it slightly behind in Viennese Waltz, but not too far. Side, cross, behind. Side, cross, then step in place. You can have nice turned out feet depending on what style of Viennese Waltz you're making. Some exams they want straight feet like Ballroom, some require turned out feet. So you'll have to see your teacher if you're doing exams as to what is preferred. Side, cross, replace. Side, cross, replace. Again, if you're solo or doing some competition dance, it will depend on the steps you're making, whether you sway your body or have an upright or a lean back ballroom hold. So again, check this out with your teacher for the reason you're learning Viennese Waltz. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Can you see there's a very slight spring out to the side? And as with ballet and traditional dance, there's a point of the toe before you land on the foot. 1, 2, 3. It's not a point in the air. It's like you're reaching out with your toe to where you want to go. And you go just beyond that stretched foot. So you can see when I stretch it out, I actually go a bit further. So I'm not jumping as it's a waltz, so it's smooth. But it's a reach and then go beyond where you're stretching that foot. Side, cross, replace. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now again, these can go backwards and forwards. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And can you see I can take them on the diagonal as well? So you can turn your body as you make these if you prefer. You can also make them turning. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. If you're dancing with a partner, you can do any of these variations of this 3-step of the Viennese Waltz, turning. So the partner can hold you with one arm, and you can do the turn like we've just done, taking your time to turn under your partner's arm. These are called underarm turns with waltz step. You can also do the forward waltz step that we did, turning as the man travels backwards. So you're in a closed position, which means you're in hold. The man will make the basic 1, 2, 3 travelling backwards, and you can turn 1, 2, 3, coming forwards with our turning waltz. So step, start to turn your body, make the dig behind as you continue to pivot, and finish with a forward step.